Good evening to all. Examtics Double N YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss about 11th January 2021 current affairs. Please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Japanese Health Minister finds new coronavirus variant. The Japanese Health Ministry has found a coronavirus variant in people arriving from Brazil that's different from the ones in Britain and South Africa. Japan was working with other nations, the WHO, and other medical experts to analyze the new version of the virus, and it was still unclear whether available vaccines would work. World Health Organizations WHO expert team to visit China on January 14 to probe origins of coronavirus pandemic. The state delusions said quoting China National Health Commission that a team of WHO experts will conduct a field visit to China on 14 January. JK Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir delegations visits Sabarimati Riverfront Development Project in Gujarat. The delegations comprise Principal Secretary to LG Nitishwar Kumar and District Magistrate of Jammu and Chief Executive Officer Jammu Smart City Projects Sushma Chauhan among others. The visit assumes significance in view of the future plan regarding Ravi River front in Jammu. The Ravi River in Jammu will have riverfront on the lines of Sabarimati River Front Development SRFT project. Sabarimati Riverfront Development Project in Gujarat. CM Yogi direct to Animal Husbandry Department to formulate a plan with regard to bird flu in Uttar Pradesh. CM Yogi has issued directions to the Animal Husbandry Department to formulate a plan with regards to bird flu in the state. The Indian in view of the growing bird flu scare in several states, including those whose area border with Uttar Pradesh. The state in on high and district have been given district instruction to report any incident of unnatural death of birds. Road transport. Okay. Nitin Gadkari to launch Kodi Pragmatic Point development by KVIC. Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari will be launching an innovative new point development by Kadi and Village Industries Commissions on 12th January. eco-friendly, non-toxic paint called the Cadiplectric Point is a first of its kind product with antifungal, antibacterial properties. Based on Gaudan's acid main ingredients, the paint is goes effective and odorless. Has been certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards and Cadipactic paint is available in two forms. Union Education Ministers inaugurated two-day virtual international academic conference EduCon 2020. The Union Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant inaugurated the two-day virtual international academic conference EduCon 2020 through a video conferencing platform. World Hindi Day. The World Hindi Day is celebrated annually on January 10 since 2006 to promote the language at the global stage. The day marks the anniversary of first World Hindi conference which was inaugurated on January 10, 1975 by the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Joe Biden names two Indian Americans in U.S. National Security Council. U.S. President-elect Joe Biden named Indian American Sumonoku as Senior Director for South Asia and Darren Chopra as the Senior Director for Technology and National Security. Kuha was co-chair of the South Asia Foreign Policy Working Group on the Biden-Harris campaign and serves on the Transition State Department Agency Review Team. IREDA NHPH Partnership in Green Energy Project. NHPS Limited has signed an MOU with the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency IREDA for providing assistance in setting up renewable energy RE projects for the next 5 years. Modi India Calling 2021 book released. A coffee table book named Modi India Calling 2021 has been released on the occasions of 16th Pravasi Pradya Divas. 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. The book contains various photographs of Prime Minister Narendra Modi captured during his 107 overseas and bilateral visits. HM Hamid Shah, pardon. HM Hamid Shah launched signal window clearance system for smooth operationalizations of gold mines. The Union Home Ministers Hamid Shah said that the gold sector has the potential to be the biggest contributor towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi vision of making India a $5 trillion economy by 2024. Mr. Shah said the production of coal in the country has increased manifold in the last 6 years. Bangladesh, the focus country at IFF I 2021. Bangladesh, Bangladesh in the focus country at the 51st editions of the International Film Festival of India IFFI this year. IFFI this year. IFFI which takes place in Goa from November 2028 every year was postponed due to the coronavirus pandemic and will now be held from January 16 to January 24 in a hybrid format. Thank you to all. Thank you to all.